I'm Mike, and this is Cast Tech Tips. So you got a leaky valve. You turn power off to the machine and product's still coming out. In our PX2 valves here, there's 2 points that create the seal that you need. The first one is an O-ring located on the inside of this fill tube. To get there, you're going to use a pair of channel lock pliers and undo this knurled nut, and then pull the fill tube out. The O-ring we're looking for is located on a channel on the inside of this fill tube. Replace that, put everything back together, and check under pressure if you're still leaking. If product's still coming out, the next thing you want to look at is this foam shuttle here. It has a built-in black gasket that creates a seal. This will wear down at some point to the point where it will no longer seal. Replace this, put everything back together, and you should be good to go. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.